everybody, Lois Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League.com. We are here at the Legal Shield International Convention, and they're asking why. Like, what is your why? Meaning, what is your purpose? So people have written their different goals or why for doing generating extra income working from home or working from anywhere. This one says, to make liberty and justice for all a true statement. The money earned along the way helps. This one says, to help my community while making an awesome living. My goal is to be a millionaire and to help other people reach their goals. This one, my why is to exit corporate America, have freedom, and take care of my grandchildren. This one, trauma survivor, survive to thrive. This one says my why is to retire my mama, beach house, and help my community. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe.